Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking control of the token and update channel. Open bot father and copy the bot token, then revoke it immediately to deny further API calls. Next, remove any webhook URL or stop running polling scripts on your server. This prevents new updates from reaching your code. Once done, confirm hosting processes are stopped or suspended, because a revoked token plus stopped processes is the only method that halts a bot without blocking its account. With the tap exposed, remove the handle and escutcheon. Keep parts in order so reassembly is simple. Next, loosen the retaining nut and pull the cartridge or valve straight out. You want to inspect O-rings and remove mineral buildup because worn seals cause leaks. Clean the bore, coat new O-rings with a thin layer of plumber's grease, and seat the new cartridge correctly. Make sure orientation matches inlet markings. Then, snug the retaining nut, don't over-tighten, and reattach the decorative pieces. Turn the water back on slowly while watching all connections for weeps or drips. This controlled pressurization helps locate leaks immediately. Operate the faucet through its full range to ensure smooth movement and correct hot versus cold alignment. If flow or temperature is wrong, recheck supply line connections. If you find a leak, first retorque the suspect fitting to spec, then replace the O-ring or reseat the compression nut. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most post-installation leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.